Hello and welcome to the weekly manifesting report for November 15th through November 21st, 2021. My name is Rachel Avalon. I'm a spiritual coach, angel channel, and healer, and I work very closely with the angels to help spiritual women to manifest the success and the freedom and the impact that they know they were born for. So how this works is I'm going to give you an overview for the energy this week that I have channeled from the angels, and then we're going to go into the messages that correspond with numbers 1, 2, and 3. So if you haven't already, go ahead and choose number 1, number 2, or number 3, or any combination of these, and let me know which number you chose below. So this week is all about rising to the next big level through trusting your intuitive nudges, your intuitive guidance, tuning into and trusting what your soul is crying out for you to do and going with it, taking those leaps of faith, noticing where you're getting signs and messages from the universe, from the angels, from your higher self, through your dreams. There's a full moon eclipse, a very powerful full moon eclipse on Friday, on November 19th, that is helping us to anchor in the light codes, the abundance codes that have been coming through the 1111 portal, which is still open until this full moon eclipse, and is helping us to anchor those, to harness those, to make quantum leaps. Now we're also being guided to have so much clarity and insights through this full moon, through the integration of these 1111 codes. Our soul is being activated to speak to us even more clearly. Our connection with our higher self, our connection with our guides, our connections with the higher realms are being amplified and activated on a higher level at this time as we step into our purpose, step into our power, and expand our potential at this time. So pay attention to any intuitive guidance, intuitive nudges that you are feeling, and make sure that you are connecting, taking time this week to connect, to hear the guidance from your soul. The full moon is a time for getting absolute clarity with things, seeing clearly what we need to do next, understanding what we need to release. It is a time for a lot of emotions coming up as well to be released. And especially on an eclipse, we are entering an eclipse season. So this full moon eclipse is really amplifying the power of the moon. It's also amplifying the magical manifesting power of the moon. The moon is a very magical energy that you can use to manifest with. And the angels also have a powerful magical manifesting energy and quality that you can call upon. So when you call upon the angels and the moon together, and you intentionally work with the moon, the full moon eclipse, and the angels together, it is going to be powerful for helping you catapult to that next level. If you want help with working with the moon and the angels together, I do have a free guide that has a powerful full moon ritual in it that I have used to manifest some big things, big events in my own life that I highly recommend you check out. The link is below. Okay, so let's dive into numbers 1, 2, and 3 and the messages that go along with these. If you chose number 1, this message is coming to you from Archangel Uriel, and what he's talking about is expansion for you this week. This full moon eclipse, this energy building up to it, is all about expansion. What he's talking about in particular is looking at whatever doesn't feel expansive in your life right now. Anything that feels constrictive, restrictive, something that's holding you back, things that are not allowing you the time to do what you need to do, not allowing you the space to do the things that are in your heart and soul to do. He's particularly talking about creativity and intuition, allowing your creativity and your intuition to expand, allowing your creative ideas to expand, letting your imagination to take hold. So he's talking about taking time out to give yourself this time and space to allow your imagination to run wild, to journal, to meditate, but also to do some creative projects, like creative work, like artwork, or some kind of free-form writing like journaling, or another type of creative writing, poetry, something like that, singing, music, dancing, something where you can just let your heart absolutely sing, allow your energy field to expand, tap into that creative flow. He's talking about this for helping you to up level. This is going to help you get the clarity and the insights that he is sending to you that are going to help you to expand to your next level, that are going to help you to accelerate. This expansion is key to help propel you to that next level of your goals and dreams. So make sure to call upon Archangel Uriel this week to help you to receive the insights and the clarity you need, and to help give you that support, to give you the time and space to feel that expansion, to tap into that expansion. If you chose number 2, this message is coming to you from Archangel Raphael, and he's letting you know that this week is a time for releasing old patterns, releasing negative energy from the past, wounds, hurts, anything that's weighing heavy on your heart, not just from this lifetime, but also from previous lifetimes, from past lives, karmic issues, ancestral healing. That kind of stuff is going on this week. There's a lot of releasing to help you to up level at this time. And Archangel Raphael is sending his green healing light to your heart to heal your heart of anything negative, to heal anything that is weighing you down from the past, weighing you down from this lifetime, from previous lifetimes. Archangel Raphael is sending his green healing light to your heart chakra at this time so you can call upon him to work with him to expand the love and the light within your heart. No matter how much inner work that you have done, no matter how much releasing work that you have done, there is always more that we can step into. There's always more love and light that we can expand into. So he's helping you at this time to open your heart to receive even more love and light, to release anything that has been blocking you and keeping you stuck from the past, like I said, from previous lifetimes, from this lifetime, unconscious blocks and things that are in your energy field that you may not even be fully aware of, or things that you thought were cleared are coming up at this time to be cleared on a whole new level. So don't be surprised if stuff from the past or things that you worked on from the past, previous relationships, or even past life stuff that you worked on is coming up again to be healed on a much deeper level, to help you to amplify your manifestation, to help you to receive increasing abundance. Because the more love and light that we hold in our heart and our entire energy field, it opens us up to be able to receive even greater amounts of abundance and prosperity and freedom and success and joy and love and fulfillment. And that is what you are stepping into this week. And Archangel Raphael is helping you to do this. So make sure to call upon him this week to lighten the load, to do this clearing and healing work at this time, especially with this full moon eclipse. If you chose number 3, this message is coming to you from Archangel Barachiel, and he's letting you know that this is an absolutely magical time for your manifestation this week. He's letting you know that all of your dreams are coming true, that you are on the right track, that you are being totally guided and supported at this time. Archangel Barachiel is sending you amazing blessings and magical new opportunities for increased abundance on all levels. He wants you to work with him. He's reaching out for you to work with him, especially during this full moon, to create windfalls of abundance, to create new magical opportunities, unexpected opportunities that can come totally out of the blue. Let the magic flow. Stay in the flow as much as you can. So do whatever you need to do to get out of any fear, any worry, any doubt. The full moon is also a time for releasing this fear, releasing doubt about your goals, releasing any confusion or overwhelm. He's talking about staying in the flow this week, riding this wave of momentum. So anything you can do this week to stay in a lighthearted energy, to stay in a kind of magical vibe, to connect with your inner child, to have more laughter and fun and lightheartedness in your life is going to help you to stay in this flow, to access this magic, to access the synchronicities that are being sent to you at this time, so you can ride that wave to reach your goals and dreams. So those are your messages for this week. I hope you found them helpful. Make sure to let me know if you chose 1, 2, or 3 and how the messages resonated with you. I always love hearing from you guys. And if you have any questions about working with the angels and manifestation, feel free to drop your questions below as well. And don't forget to check out the free guide on manifesting with the angels and the moon, which is going to be super helpful and powerful on this full moon eclipse. Have an amazing, magical week ahead, and I'll see you guys back here next week.